Hello, welcome back to the Mark Janard Show, the tech show about hacking. In this video, I'm going to go over ChatGPT does not have access to the internet. Is ChatGPT going to be the end of the internet if it does get access? I'm going to break it down in this video, so we're going to have some fun. Let's get right into it. We're going dark. So ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence system that people use throughout the world. The system's main use is to generate the answer to any question you ask. Its system does not have access or connection with the internet, nor does it have any connection with the external data source. So why doesn't ChatGPT have internet access?
That answer is incorrect.
Does ChatGPT have internet access? Okay, so yes, ChatGPT has internet access with a paid you can have ChatGPT with internet access with a paid subscription to ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT Enterprise. Users can run the GPT-4 model with web browsing capabilities. Web access allows GPT-4 to utilize third-party programs. This includes the browsing plugin for ChatGPT Enterprise and ChatGPT Plus users. The free version of ChatGPT uses the GPT-3 model by default, which, like previous versions of the model GPT-2 and GPT-1, do not include an internet browser feature. Google Bard and Bing Chat, which is OpenAI's biggest competitors, both have internet access and real-time information by default. So how can ChatGPT use internet access? Prior to the release of OpenAI's latest model, users couldn't ask the AI chatbot about current world events or real-time data. ChatGPT internet access is relatively recent. The capabilities that come along with it, in addition to the obvious chat functionality, make it much more powerful than search engines like Google. ChatGPT Enterprise and ChatGPT Plus subscribers can use beta features and ChatGPT plugins like we have Klarna, Code Interpreter, Fiscal Note, Milo, Wolfram Alpha, Toggle, and please don't come at me in this comment section if I'm saying it wrong.
What are you saying? What are you saying?
We have Trello, Slack, OpenTable, Shopify, Gmail, Google Sheets, Zapier, Instacart, Expedia, Kayak. You know, we got the Kayak, right? So there are a few reasons for that, which we're going to talk about below, right? We have privacy and security, which is allowing an AI chatbot like ChatGPT full access to a live internet connection can cause serious security and privacy threats. For instance, malicious users can easily access ChatGPT users' sensitive information. Similarly, they can even spread misinformation while having full access to users' personal information. Therefore, giving internet access to ChatGPT or any other AI system could be seriously threatening. Now we have bias and control. OpenAI ensures that its system's model is bias-free and based on high-quality data, but suppose it starts to control conversational data by accessing an internet connection. In that case, there is a possibility that it could stop producing bias-free content and potentially deliver inappropriate responses. Such changes would cause serious questions about its performance and credibility. Generally, these AI bots would seem better off without full internet access to avoid inappropriate accidents, right? Then we have the quality of data. The information spread over the internet can be unreliable and inconsistent. So if an AI bot like ChatGPT is allowed internet access to fetch that information, it can result in misleading or incorrect information, raising serious questions about their credibility. Therefore, allowing them full internet access can lead to jeopardizing the quality of the data the bot uses and offers to others. So, is ChatGPT software? Because there's a little bit of debate on that. ChatGPT is not software, but an AI bot available for all internet users on a web browser. Its developer, OpenAI, hasn't released an app version available for download from Apple or Google stores. Therefore, users can only access this AI system through a web browser. So let's come to this conclusion. Undoubtedly, ChatGPT is very helpful for many users in different ways. Although it's a source of extreme convenience, it can also seriously threaten users. Allowing internet access to this AI AI chatbot has privacy consequences that users are warned about. Despite this, internet access for ChatGPT has opened up a whole new world of productivity for users worldwide. So, do you think that ChatGPT will be the end of the internet? Do you think that there are dangers it can be if ChatGPT on its own just has internet access? Is it going to destroy the internet? Because it's not controllable, right? Technically. So I want to know your opinion. Please let me know in the comment section below. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the notification bell. I appreciate your viewership. See you on the next video.